Alright, you guys, this is pages 3 and 4 of your chapter 5 review. Number 25, we're doing odds, so 25 says list the angles in the given triangles from smallest to largest. And what we know is that the smallest angle is across from the smallest side. So, smallest angle across from the smallest side. So if this is the smallest side, 8, then go across, and it's this angle right here that's the smallest angle. So angle E is the smallest. The next one would be 10, so go across, and angle D is the middle one. Then the largest side is across from the largest angle, at angle F. Likewise, if I wanted to name the lengths of the sides from largest to smallest, then I would start with the largest angle. And I would go across to find the largest side. Number 27 is missing an angle, and so what I want to do is first find angle K in order to help me solve. So I know that all three angles add to 180. And we're going to solve for x. So 90 plus 32 is 122 plus x equals 180. Subtract 122 from both sides. X equals, what is that? 58 degrees. So we're going to start, I'm looking for the largest side first, so I want to find the largest angle and go across. So 90 is the largest, so side KL will be the largest side. And we know that because that's a hypotenuse. Then I'm going to go across from the next largest angle, and that'll be give me my middle side, JL. And then my smallest angle is across from the smallest side, KJ. 29 and 30 asks me to complete the statement with a greater than or less than or equal to. Side DE is something compared to EF. Well, I know that the smaller side is across from the smaller angle, so 98 is smaller than 100. So DE is going to be smaller than EF. All right, let's keep going. This next section is asking us to match the word to the picture. I first just want to go through and talk about what you are looking for. The first thing is circumcenter is all of your perpendicular bisectors. And whenever you're looking for a perpendicular bisector, you want the little box at the midpoint of each side. Orthocenter are your altitudes. And so we know if it's an altitude, then it goes from vertex to a box of 90 degrees. But it has to go through that vertex. It has to go through a point on the triangle. In center is all of your angle bisectors. So you want to look for your angle rainbows, like that. Centroid is all of your medians. And so you want to look for vertex to midpoint. So those are kind of things you're looking for. Let's look at 31. I'm looking for perpendicular bisectors. So I'm looking for the 90 degrees at the midpoint. So I see these two pictures have 90 degrees, but which one has the 90 at the midpoint? It's going to be this one because the midpoint has the congruency marks on the actual side of the triangle. So circumcenter is going to be B. 33 is my angle bisectors, and so I want to look for the angle rainbows. And I only see that on one picture, and that's going to be D. 35 is asking us to draw an altitude of each triangle. An altitude, remember, goes from, if you remember from up here, it goes from the vertex straight down to a 90-degree angle. It's kind of like the height of a mountain if you think of altitude. It starts at the top and goes straight down to a 90-degree angle. Notice a right triangle has it right on the triangle. Vertex, straight down, 90 degrees. Okay, that's it for our Chapter 5 videos. Please come in and tutoring if you guys have any questions.